Hey troubleholics, I am back again with another video for Valentine's Day. If you are new, welcome. Make sure you subscribe and become part of the Troubled family. Let's get into the video. I'm going to be going into this palette by Spoiled Cosmetics. It's the one that Gigi did, and the first shade I'm dipping into is the shade Royal, and I'm pretty much going to pack that on that area right above the crease. I always do this because I do have hooded eyes, and this shade is one of the shades that you have to pretty much work it up to the shade that you want it to be. Now dipping into the shade It's a Girl, I am using a Morphe 330 brush, and I'm pretty much packing that in right in the crease, and then I will be blending it out, and I'm going to blend it in together with that transition color so that it blends seamlessly and looks nice and transitioned. I don't recommend using this brush. You can use the first fluffy brush you used because I had to work hard. And then now I'm going to cut the crease using a Model's Own C1 brush. It's a concealer brush, and I use this brush a lot now. I don't know, I love it. I bought it at Ocean State Job Lot, and it's very affordable and very good. All their brushes are very good actually. I've bought quite a few from this brand. Now you can cut the crease using this technique, which takes a little longer, but it's so much nice and crisp. Or you can use the other technique that I used in my last video. I can put a little pop-up to show up right above on the right hand side, and you can just use that technique. And there I am just blending out the edges because it's pretty much done. And now, as always, fixing up those edges, making sure that cut crease is looking nice and sharp. And I always use this Tarte brush. This is actually an eyeliner brush that came with their Tarte's clay paint liner. Yeah, that's what it's called. Now going into the shade Riley, using this old-fashioned sponge eyeshadow applicator. It's the only thing that would actually work to get color on the lid. I tried my finger and I tried a brush, and it just was not working. This shade, I think this one needed more work on the formula. Now, once I applied that, I'm going back into that shade It's a Girl, and I'm pretty much gonna apply that to the outer edges and blend inward so that it's nice and blended between the two colors and not just like a sharp little corner there, if that makes sense. Also, I'm using the Morphe M330 brush for this part as well. I just love using this brush when I'm pretty much blending the outer corner with the lid shade. Look at that. Now going in with this Italia waterline pencil. I like to use this one because it's a white shade. It's like really white, and I get it off of eBay. I will actually put all the information down below, don't worry. And then going back into the palette, I'm dipping into that shade Texas Girl, and I'm using that to set the waterline pencil because I don't want it to just smudge or anything. Look at how bright that is. Now going back in with the previous colors, It's a Girl, I think, is the first one I'm using. Yes, it is. And I'm using a Model's Own brush. This is the E1 angled brush to apply it underneath, and I'm putting that right close or on the lash line, the bottom lash line. Using the Makeup Shack T63 brush, I am blending the shade Royal and It's a Girl together to blend them out good. But then I switched over to the Morphe M506 brush. I just love this brush so much better for the bottom lash line. It just blends it out so much better. And then dipping into the shade Blessed, I'm using a Morphe X Jeffree Star JS11 brush to apply that to the brow bone. Also, if you are liking this video so far, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also hit that bell notification so that you are notified every time I upload a new video, guys. Don't forget. Now, going in with this NYX glitter glue, I'm going to be packing that in the inner corner because there was really no shades that I'd like to put in there. And I'm applying that with a V8 brush from BH Cosmetics, and then I'm applying a glitter, which is a glitter that I bought on eBay. I don't even know if it's an eyeshadow glitter, but you can apply a glitter of choice. It doesn't have to be a specific glitter, as long as it's white and pretty. Next, I'll be going in with this lash glue liner by Kiss to apply my lashes. I apply this to the lid. I love these liner glues. I like to call them magic liners, but you know, everyone's gonna have their own names for them. But you pretty much just apply it to your lid, and then you apply some to the lash strip, and then it just makes it so much easier, you guys. Like, I can't even tell you how much faster this helps me with like getting my makeup done and getting like out the door. Seriously. Not faster, but so much easier. It makes it so much easier to apply the lashes and gets you out the door faster, is what I meant to say. Also, the lashes I used are Coqueta by OMG Lashes. And now for mascara, we're using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black. I love this mascara. I don't care for any other mascara. My one and only. And I do this to combine the lashes together. I don't like to apply mascara before like my false lash application because my lashes will go up. They grow upwards. And I also use them on my lower lash line. Like I said, I love this mascara so much. And for lipstick, I forgot to show you guys, but I am going in with NYX Shine Loud, and this is in the shade Trophy Life. This is one of their oh my god, what is it called? Not dual-sided, but two-step lipsticks. Liquid lipsticks. And yeah, it's such a pretty shade and it went perfectly with this look. So I had to use it. And so I used the liquid lipstick side. Now I'm using the other side, which is a gloss that you put on top. Alright, you guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, bye.
I'm beautiful, baby. Do I look beautiful? Aww.